Welcome to our video on periodic maintenance, a walk in the park with Dynamics 365 Field Service. This video is an extension of our other videos on operations and scheduling within our field service solution. My name is Tim Verpoorten and together with my colleague Sybren Moy, we delve deeper in how Dynamics 365 Field Service can help your company with periodic maintenance. Periodic maintenance is crucial for organizations as it ensures the ongoing reliability and efficiency of equipment. It helps in preventing downtime, extending your asset lifetime and optimizes their performance, also guaranteeing safety and compliance. Maintaining your own assets is very often more cost efficient than replacing them, and in support of your own products, needless to say that it enhances the customer satisfaction. We also have customers that inspect, calibrate or otherwise verify their own assets or assets from customers due to regulatory reasons. Product prices are under pressure and customer expectations increase continuously, expecting in B2B the same service as what they are used to in their B2C lives. Certainly now, as technological possibilities are changing the world faster than ever. It's crucial to have a clear understanding and operational adherence to diverse contractual agreements. Breaches not only result in significant penalties, but also negatively impact customer satisfaction. Contracts also determine the billing rules for time and spare parts for work orders. When urgent work orders arise, it's essential to balance them with the need to fulfill contractual agreements. This may involve strategic scheduling and resource allocation to ensure that important tasks are not sidelined by urgent but less critical ones. Ensuring that technicians have the necessary skills and spare parts available at the first visit is key to efficiency. This reduces the need for repeat visits, saves costs and improves customers' trust and satisfaction. This is covered in our videos about scheduling. With product margins under pressure, customers expecting flawless and proactive service, the widespread use of IoT sensors offers an opportunity to switch from a cost-driven service organization into a revenue profit center, as we cover in our video about servitization. Navigating these challenges effectively will be crucial for maintaining a competitive edge and high level of customer satisfaction in the evolving maintenance landscape.
In this video, we cover the possibilities for agreements and some of the enhancements that are part of the 9A Field Service solution. An agreement in field service is used for the handling of the contract we have with our customers. Here we have an agreement for Acme Belgium, which will be billed to the Acme Group. It's a maintenance contract which also covers some periodic services. We see those here on the right hand side. Of course, there's a price list linked to the agreement to determine for which rates our services are going to be billed to this customer. This also covers constructions like discounts on hours or spare parts being used under the agreement. The price regulation we see here at the bottom is part of the 9 altitudes functionality for price regulations and is most commonly used for the yearly price regulations. For customers who bill their customers on usage like cloud consumption, running hours, miles, copies and so on, 9 Altitudes has an advanced billing engine which translates the consumption to the transaction based on the price list for the agreement linked to the assets. Those price list items can be registered on the consumption price list tab. Here we see an example of a price list item for the billing of running hours. If we take a look at the booking setup, we see that we will execute a yearly maintenance visit for this Turbroco machine. In this case, a work order will be scheduled 14 days before the request date, and the work order needs to be executed 14 days before or after the requested date. Here is some extra functionality from 9 Altitudes as well, for customers that want to schedule the next work order after a certain amount of time after the last work order, instead of having them scheduled on a fixed date. In the invoice setup, we can set up the invoice we want to generate periodically. Let's say a monthly or yearly invoice for the provided services. The invoice generation is a fully automated process, of course with all kinds of checks if required.
So in conclusion, Periodic maintenance is a cornerstone of customer satisfaction and operational excellence. Here are some benefits we deliver with our platform. Customer agreements and the complexity of all contractual constraints are registered and automated in the operational backbone. This ensures that all important and contractually agreed services are seamlessly integrated into the complex mix resolved by our scheduling and billing solution. We provide a wealth of knowledge through our videos on field service scheduling and learn more about how 9A Field Service enhances complex planning and discover the key drivers for achieving first time right through the skills of your technicians and up-to-date inventory management. Our robust backbone is designed to support proactive, subscription-based services continuously fueled by IoT data and triggers. This proactive approach is the future of field service, and we invite you to also watch our video on the road to servitization, bringing IoT alive in 9A Field Service, to see how we're making it a reality. By leveraging these benefits, you not only meet but exceed the expectations of your clients, ensuring a high level of customer satisfaction and a strong competitive edge in the market. To end the video and to further inspire you about field service and our solution, you can visit our website, watch more videos on operations, planning and scheduling, mobile enablement, customer intimacy and field service performance and insights, or contact one of our 9A Sherpas.